In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. Put your hands up in the air. Hands up in the air. Hey, hands up in the air. Hands up in the air. To the right, to the right, to the right, to the left, to the left, to the left, to the left, and kick, kick, kick.
Good morning, everybody. Breakfast time before hitting the trails.
What's up, what's up, what's up?
Spam, of course. What else? And rice.
Here's a way for you.
All right, so we are on our way to Yosemite's entrance, but we're trying to situate ourselves because of the kids and motion sickness. Not a good combo. Alright, so we quickly stopped over at Coulterville so we can try to get some gas and find Dramamine for the kids. Meron?
Meron!
Woo! Alrighty, so we've started our self-guided audio tour of Yosemite. It was a little tricky to figure out how to use it, but Yosemite doesn't have any kind of internet connection. You will have no phone connection whatsoever, so you really have to download everything prior to entering Yosemite Valley. So $15 per vehicle for the audio guide.
Just like a drum, I hear your rhythm, you feel so near. Oh, California, all senses clear. I'll be
One, two, three, cheese. Okay, wait, walk through the one. 1, 2, 3, cheese. Yeah, there you go.
We are now at the entrance of Yosemite.
The Adventures with Action thing that you're going to do in the park. For the entrance, it's a separate transaction.
Okay.
You can do, if you have a park pass, we can use a park pass. Otherwise, $35 for a car.
Okay. $35 per car. Separate from the audio tour.
Yep.
Just wanna spend some time together before everything's gone. It's in the air, can't you feel that good times are coming on?
And there it is, the famous half dome. I don't know if you guys could see it.
Just another hill to climb. California, then you'll be mine.
So just a few things that I learned from the audio guide. The wildlife that is native to Yosemite includes mountain lions, black bears, which are actually colored brown, and bighorn sheep. And the trees that are native to Yosemite is the sequoias, which are actually taller than California redwoods. And California redwoods are already pretty gigantic. Look at those rapids. We haven't had this much water for a long time. I'm glad to see it though, even though it looks pretty scary. Magpark daw.
Wala! Oh, akin na. Nakapatagal ko nakahawak, di naman naka...
May nakaluwit eh.
Diyan! Tumigil ka! Oh my... All right, so a little bit of challenge. It's around 1:30 p.m. and the park is completely full as far as parking is concerned. So the park rangers closed the road going into Yosemite Valley. So basically they diverted all the cars. So the park ranger advised us that in order for you to get really good parking or see the sights that you want to see, you have to be in the park, especially on a weekend. And today is a Friday, so we'll be back here tomorrow. So he says that on a weekend, you have to be here by 8:30, no later. They would most likely be closing Yosemite Valley to cars between 11 and 2, and between 2 and 4 is probably where the car congestion gets better. And so by 4 o'clock, then you're pretty much free to go into the valley again, or the traffic won't be as bad after 4. Well, it's around 1:30 now, and yikes, we're not gonna wait. So we're just now walking the mile to get the free shuttle.
California, where do I start? Heavy breathing.
So it's going to take about a 30 to 40 minute wait for the shuttle. Hopefully it's only that short. That was the 4th bus that has passed us. All right, chaos. It's 3:15 and no bus. And so we decided to just turn around and get the cars since the road to Yosemite Valley is open already. The park ranger was right in his advice. Between 3 and 4, the cars or the traffic decompress, and so you're able to drive back in there. Oh, and then of course the bus arrives. Two buses at that. 2 buses at that. What a crazy afternoon.
I got you. Tired already. Tired. Oh my god. Go. Keep going.
It is about 3:30 and we haven't had lunch yet. Our last meal was around 8 o'clock in the morning. Hungry. We're all hungry. Very, very hungry. The plan for today was actually to go hiking, either Vernal Falls or Bridal Falls, but none of us got up in time, and with about 15 to 18 people trying to get ready, it took us a lot longer time to get ready and actually leave the house. So we ended up with this self-guided tour plan. Well, we kind of had an idea that Yosemite was going to be packed, but even with the last time or the last visit I had here, I don't remember how chaotic or how busy they can get. So now it's recorded in perpetuity. So hopefully I'll remember, or I can refer back to this trip. We are now at Curry Village. Finally, food.
I long to see you when the day is done, though my journey has just begun. We should have lived a life together.
Had our very, very late lunch, very, very early dinner at last.
We should have loved each other, baby. Oh, what could I have done?
All right, so now we are at the lower trails of Yosemite Falls. It is so beautiful.
We're gonna take a photo here.
Oh my gosh. Look at this. Look at this. Wow.
Oh my god, I should have thought Adrian was right here.
California, here I come. Every heartbeat just like a drum. I hear your rhythm, you feel so near. Oh, California, all senses clear. I'll be alright. We should have lived a life together in your warming sun. We should have loved each other, baby.
Wow, that was a great last activity for our day here in the park. And now we're heading back to the house. See you there.
Happy birthday. Sing gitara, yung gitara. One, two, three, four. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
All right, we are at home and grilling our dinner. So before I forget, I'm gonna go ahead and close out this video, even though I may add a few more scenes after the fact. We have one more day here in the Yosemite area, so stay tuned for that. So from my mind side to yours, thanks for watching. Cooking breakfast for tomorrow already. We're supposed to be leaving really early tomorrow, actually in 4 hours. It's about 11 o'clock p.m. already, and the plan is to go hiking tomorrow, so we need to prepare our breakfast. That's what slowed us down this morning, is the breakfast. Look at my hair. Sorry, I just took a shower. Stay tuned tomorrow to find out whether or not we're going hiking.